YouTube is one of the apps mandated by Google to come pre-installed on all Android devices. Needless to say, it's deeply embedded in the system. When a user encounters an issue with the app, the most common being the error YouTube keeps stopping, it can be a problem with the app or the firmware itself. You need to do some troubleshooting procedures to determine what the issue really is all about. Hi. This is Felix from thecellguide.com, and in this video, I will teach you how to fix Galaxy S10 that YouTube app keeps on stopping. First solution: force restart your device. If it's the first time you encountered this problem, odds are that it could be just a result of a minor firmware glitch. Glitches happen all the time, but they're easy to fix. In fact, a simple reboot can fix them. But in this case, it's better to perform the forced reboot procedure, as it's far more effective than the normal restart. Here's how it's done. Press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time for 10 seconds or more, and wait until the Galaxy S10 logo appears. However, after you do the method and the issue still happening on your phone, then proceed to the next solution. Second solution: clear cache and data of YouTube apps. If YouTube keeps stopping still after the first procedure, then the next thing you need to do is troubleshoot the app itself. Try resetting it so that it will be reverted back to its default settings and configuration. It means that you have to clear its cache and data so that they will be replaced with new ones. Here's how. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Scroll to and touch apps. Find and tap YouTube. Touch storage. Tap clear cache. Tap clear data. Touch OK to confirm. After doing this procedure, try opening the app and see if it still closes on its own or displays the error message YouTube has stopped. If the problem persists, move on to the next procedure. Third solution: back up your files and reset your phone. A factory reset will most likely fix this problem. However, make sure to create a backup of your important files and data, as they will be deleted during the process. Meaning, this method will bring your device back to its factory default. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap the settings icon. Find and tap General Management. Touch Reset. Tap Factory Data Reset. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and tap Reset. If prompted, enter your PIN, password, or pattern. Finally, tap Delete All. That's it. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been able to help you one way or the other. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you can stay up to date with the Cell Guide. Thanks for watching.